Alright, so we need to find angle G here. And remember, I'm going to draw something in here. There was a theorem. This goes to F, and let's say this goes to H. Not a great drawing. That'll probably be more about right here. That said, this angle, let's call this circle A. So that angle that is FAH, if we take 180 and we subtract that angle from it, that's going to give us, in this case, the measurement of angle G. Just if you do want to look back on that, that theorem is called the circumscribed angle theorem. Well, we're not given what this angle is. We don't know, but we can figure it out by looking at this. So they're telling us that a huge part of the arc of the circle is 17x. Well, remember the entire circle is 360. So this piece that we're missing that will give us this angle, because we know that this arc and this central angle are the same thing. Well, this arc, measurement FH, that has to be what's left over from taking 360 and subtracting 17x from it. Okay, so that gets us that, and we also know that that measurement of that arc equals its central angle, which is this up here. So we know that the measurement of arc FH equals that measurement of that angle FAH. Okay, so let's do a little substituting in. Let's take this, because these two things equal each other, and let's plug it in for this. And then let's change out what measurement of angle G is. We know what it is. It's 75. So 75 equals 180 minus this 3. This got to be careful again. I'm going to use parentheses. So I'm substituting this whole quantity in for here. So I'm going to subtract out 360 minus 17x. And then I need to distribute that negative to both those terms. So it's 180 minus 360 plus 17x. Alright, so let's see what we got here. 180 minus 360, that's going to be minus 180 plus 17x, excuse me, still got the 75. Let's add 180 to both sides of this thing. So 17x has to equal, do math here, 255, I believe. And then how many times does 17 go into 255? 15 times.